Jai Jagannath. Today I'll show you how to prepare Lord Jagannath's Bada Singhara Bhoga, SUARA PITHA. SUARA PITHA is one of the types of Sankhudi Mahaprasad offered to Mahaprabhu during Bada Singhara Bhoga. Totally 7 murtis pieces of SUARA PITHA, both big and small, are offered for bhog and distributed as Ghee among servitors. SUARA PITHA requires very skilled supakar or cooks in the kitchen. It is prepared by Bada Swaras. It is slowly fried on a low flame in ghee for almost 25 minutes. The texture of this pita is that it is very crispy outside and soft inside. This is the grinded urad dal paste. I have soaked the urad dal with the skin and grind it to a paste. To this adds salt as per taste, some hing and rice flour, and mix everything well. The batter is ready now. In temple, they spread the batter on a banana leaf like this in the round shape. Keep it thick. Now drop the spread batter in ghee like this. It needs a lot of ghee. Make holes like this. In temple they use a wooden one. I am doing it with a steel spoon. Keep the flame very low. You have to fry in a very low flame. It will take almost 20 to 25 minutes to cook on both sides. It will be soft inside and crisp on the outside. Now cook on the other side. Keep flipping and fry on both sides. It is almost done now. SUARA PITHA is ready. Finally, do the muttumala or garnish with some powdered khanda mishri and offer bhog to Mahaprabhu. This is the picture of SUARA PITHA I have collected from internet. Thanks for watching. Jai Jagannath.